Ever wondered how a tiny seed sprouts into a giant tree? Or how your houseplant stays so green and vibrant? The secret ingredient is something we see almost every day: sunlight. But how exactly do plants eat light? It's a magical process called photosynthesis, and today, we're going to uncover its secrets. Plants are basically nature's little chefs. Instead of flour and sugar, their ingredients are sunlight, water, and a gas called carbon dioxide, which is what we breathe out. Inside their leaves, they have tiny green things called chloroplasts. These are like little solar-powered factories. Now, before we get any deeper into this incredible process, if you're finding this interesting, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button and let me know in the comments what your favorite plant is. And hey, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you won't miss out on more amazing science secrets. Alright, back to our green factories. The chloroplasts contain a special pigment called chlorophyll. This is what gives plants their green color, and it's the superstar of the show. Chlorophyll's job is to catch the sun's rays, just like a solar panel. Once it's captured that sunlight, the real magic begins. The process happens in two main stages. The first is called the light-dependent reactions. Think of this as the powering up phase. The captured light energy is used to split water molecules, which the plant has soaked up through its roots. When water splits, it releases oxygen. That's right, the very oxygen we need to breathe is a byproduct of plants making their food. This first stage also creates tiny packets of energy, which are needed for the next step. The second stage is called the Calvin cycle, or the light-independent reactions. This part doesn't need direct sunlight to happen. Here, the plant takes in carbon dioxide from the air through tiny pores on its leaves. It then uses the energy packets created in the first stage to turn this carbon dioxide into a type of sugar called glucose. This glucose is the plant's food. It's pure energy. The plant uses this energy to grow taller, produce new leaves, flowers, and fruits. It's like a power lunch that fuels all of its life activities. Any extra glucose that the plant doesn't need right away, it stores as starch, saving it for a rainy day or for nighttime when there's no sun. So, let's recap this incredible journey. Sunlight is captured by chlorophyll. This energy splits water, releasing the oxygen we breathe. Then, this energy is used to combine carbon dioxide with the split water parts to create sugar, the plant's food. From sunlight to sugar, light to life. It's happening all around us, all the time. Every leaf on every tree is a bustling factory, silently working to sustain itself, and, in the process, sustain us too. Without photosynthesis, there would be no plants. And without plants, there would be no oxygen to breathe and no food to eat for countless creatures on Earth, including us. It's the foundation of almost every food chain on the planet. So the next time you see a green leaf, remember the amazing, life-giving process happening inside. It's a beautiful reminder of how interconnected everything is in nature. Plants are not just sitting there. They are actively converting the energy of a star millions of miles away into life right here on Earth. How cool is that? I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of photosynthesis. It truly is one of nature's greatest marvels. If you learned something new today, give this video a big thumbs up. And I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.